Hello everybody, today in front of me I have nothing, phone 1, and in this video we would like to show how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So first of all, swipe downwards from the top part of your screen. Among the available shortcuts, you want to find the Wi-Fi shortcut. Tap and hold onto it in order for you to be forwarded to the Wi-Fi settings page. In here, choose what network you would like to share the Wi-Fi password of. And here, once at the network details page, tap on the share icon. And as you will see, here we'll have both the actual Wi-Fi network password located below the QR code, as well as the QR code itself, which you can scan and get another device automatically connected to it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.